small Halloween, mostly, Home Goods and TJ Maxx haul. I'll start out with the non-Halloween. And when Victor's here, and Mr. Retros is here.
Hello.
Hello, Victor. I got this because I did not want to stop at the store and get pancake syrup. I've been making McGriddles with my Hamilton Beach breakfast sandwich maker. It's awesome. And it makes the perfect, like,
Breakfast.
McGriddle.
McGriddles.
Yeah. So I needed this. This is some kind of fancy pancake syrup. I usually just buy it at the dollar store, but I was at Home Goods. I didn't want to stop. I think this is $4.99. It's from, where's this from? Georgia. Blackberry Patch. Thomasville, Georgia. So we'll give this a shot. That's exciting. And then I got, they have a lot of their candles and their summer stuff on sale. So I got this soy. We've had these soy blend ones before. They smell really good. This was marked down to $6.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, and it's sensational. There, it's made USA, but it smells. It's called Storm. It smells nice.
Yeah,
Try it.
I'll try it.
It smells nice. I think we've had those before. Oh, and then I got these for Mr. Retros in his car. Worms.
Candy shop. Oh, okay.
When they were on sale for $3.50 in their clearance. They had a lot of stuff on clearance, but nothing really thrilling. And I think the morning people were there because I saw that. I got there shortly after it opened. There was a bunch of cars in front, and as I was getting out to go in, they were all leaving. So it's like a weird thing.
Locust.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know what they're getting. There's no Joanna Parker. None.
Yeah, they got it.
Yeah, I guess they got it all. I mean, they don't even have the napkins or the tablecloths, nothing. Nothing. And I've been looking for a short hand soap thing for the bathroom. And I found this Sand and Fog one. It's a glass thing, so I can reuse it. And this is Sweet Almond. And I think this was $6.99. But it's perfect for, because my medicine cabinet, that chrome one, hangs down low. So I don't want a big tall one. So that's my story. I'm sticking to it. This smells really nice. And it looks pretty. And then I went there ostensively looking for a better looking haunted house because I was not happy with my Dollar Tree one. It just was not working out. They didn't have anything. What they had looked just as corny as what I already have. Or they have these big, huge, heavy ones that are ceramic. I don't want that. They're huge. They would be like this. And I just want it as a centerpiece. And I put it on this. I turned my Weller bowl upside down. And so I found this. It's like a cement jack-o'-lantern, and it's got a light in it. Let me see.
I don't know if I like that light.
I don't like this light at all. It's a crummy light. It's that cool light. Look it looks like a 7-Eleven parking lot. It's crummy. And no timer. And I'm not picking this guy up and turning him off and on all the time. I just won't do it. So and I did this with my Dollar Tree ones. You can pry this out with a screwdriver. I like it though. And I'm gonna put this Pottery Barn one in that has a timer and just stick it in there. And that'll be it. But I really like this. This is $20. And it's cement looking. They only had one of these. And I grabbed it because that's how I do. And the day before, I had seen these at TJ Maxx. And I thought, oh. And then I'm looking on Pottery Barn. And they have these beautiful terracotta pumpkins. But they're $90. And I'm not that committed. I'm committed, but not as much as all that. So I went to TJ Maxx had these, and I went there yesterday, and they still had a couple. So I grabbed this, and this was also $20, which is way better than 90. And I have one of my LED lights, like a little a round thing like that that plugs in, and I just stick it in here. I'll post a picture at the end of how I have these set up. I put this on top of the Weller, and so it's a thing. And I think that's all I have. So that was exciting. So, got anything, Mr. Retros?
Nope.
Yeah, smell that. It smells good. Got anything, Victor?
No, I don't. I'd like some bacon, please.
Okay, we're on it. So we will see you later. Bye-bye.
All right.